Where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic. You know, while the other guy's sleeping, I'm working. While the other guy's eating, I'm working.
What's good, YouTube? About to bring to you today a cooking video. We're about to make this egg pizza. I've been telling y'all about egg whites. I'm gonna show you what all I'm putting in it. Of course, we got egg whites here. I don't really measure. We're gonna pour up the egg whites. We're gonna use turkey sausage, some mozzarella cheese, pepperoni. I normally use turkey pepperoni, but that's what we got today, so I'm gonna use it. Some ham, shrimp, American cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Started off with the egg whites. I don't really measure, like I said. It's gonna pour. It's probably gonna be around, somewhere around about 256 grams. That's the rest of it, so I'm gonna use all of it. Add this slice of cheese. I make it quick, so I'm just gonna add it to the microwave. Started out with 1 minute. Let it cook, and then I'm gonna add the other ingredients. Now I got a serving of each, all on here. About to warm this up. Put a few seconds on it. 30 seconds. Added some mozzarella cheese in there. Got this warmed up and chopped up good. And we're just gonna pour it all in here. Push it down off in there good and spread it out. There we go. Already starting to look good. Here we go. Now we got the cheddar on top. Get it around in there good. Get this bad boy back in the microwave. Put it on a good minute. 7 seconds still left on there. Good minute. Bad boy finishing up. Let's pull it out. She's still a little oily. I'm gonna put it in there a few more seconds and then just let her sit. Let's give her a few more seconds. 30 seconds. Don't take long. Finished product. Look how she look, baby. Ready to cut in her to her. She look good. Make sure y'all give it a try. Check it out. High protein, low carb. Good breakfast. Here go the nutrition facts on it. I will post them, put them on here. Here about a serving, or almost a serving of cheese. About 1 serving of everything. Probably about 4 servings of eggs ran out this morning. Here's the finished product. She looking good. Let's get a bite into it, baby. See how she tastes. Man, that's super good. Make sure y'all give it a try. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I'll bring some more meals to you guys. You try, check out. Good high protein, low carb, decent fat breakfast. Get the day started. Y'all stay tuned in. Let me know what you want to see. Comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Y'all have a blessed day.